When the Night Comes, another of my favourite Boomtown Rats songs. Don't know why, but little talked about, really. The chords. E, then F sharp minor, G sharp minor. So a lot of those licks, a bit like me and Howard Hughes, yeah. So, and also it goes. So the same lick as in the me and Howard Hughes solo, yeah. But I want to talk about the main guitar solo because it's two guitars, electric guitar and acoustic guitar alternating, which is something I haven't really heard that often before, which is different. And so acoustic guitar takes over. Then they both join in. So yeah, just different solo really, mixed between two guitars and very sort of Latin vibe about the whole thing, which is it's kind of style Boomtown Rats had, I think. A lot of the songs and a lot of backing vocals, falsetto, high backing vocals, la, 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 you know, just yeah, different, and nobody raves about it except me. No star.